I asked the bush at the end of scheme of ENT. The baddest entertainment out there. Backlocks come. Like boom. Acres over markets. So me go build a full cup bush.
Circle, you know? You wear a circle, you see what I say? Check it. We no copy, we no imitate, man. China made them imitation. You know, side area for scheme of entertainment. Fully active.
Hey, SKENG.
Got money. You know the truth, the truth.
Pop Molly, whole place get bloody up. Fully psycho, top of them no give a fuck.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, and I know I'm there with the scheme boss, and I know as usual, me have to get in some of this and some of that, and normal pre-review me there for do, you see it. But from what they are, me have to wonder if SKENG them really serious, if them a Pop Molly for chewing up viewers and subscribers, because the way them youth a DJ about the gun them and all these things, you see, the killing them and them things, they don't know. I have to wonder if them really Pop Molly for chew, but as we him say, fully psycho. But listen.
When the gun go touch that, hot the fuck be a gun in the rental. Hey boy! Pop Molly whole place get bloody up.
Papa Kelly, you know what we smoke, but she want for Papa Molly.
Gun go touch that, hot the fuck be a gun in the rental. Everything I'm up, anything we pass them.
People, I want to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell after subscribing for a further notification post. You see, pre. The man said the top of them not give a fuck, you know. So you know, say anything pass it place, it a get lace or it a get blaze. Put it how you know and put it as it. You understand? Right now the dog are showing say, yo, we psycho, we sick, ready for the street. And you see the gangster them where we are part, the gorilla them brain chip.
Pass them players get dopey up. None of them no bad, none at all. Them rubbish up. Hard feel that the mama catch me, they use my gun. Travel with a 100 chang anywhere my gun.
Quick pull up so me exercise my cheek.
On the ear where you say a while ago, the G say a hard feel that the mama catching him never use him gun, you know. I mean, I have to wonder why the youth think so evil. Cause I remember in a previous song the man say, yo, kill the granny now, you know. Is it? Viewers and subscribers, that song ya done by SKENG and Navas, and it named Pop Molly, and a normal song, people, is it? Right now it been ripping up the airwaves and it a deal with the
yo, never still I eat that. The relax before my boss if it's a sign it down, I'm mad for that.
Bind in a face, pussy better watch on the chat. Me kill them, make your ball, family them dress in a black. You know what we smoke, but she want for Papa. Never shot a strap.
No shot a strap, my boy gun with David.
People, a new governor here with intense, is it? And a normal pre. From the song drop, is it? Cause when you hear what intense say, white people crime. Is it? The man say $100 credit, you know, that a ton for him client in a servant.
Learners, rhythmatic not to steam like a jerk pan, loud incursion. White people crime, British and Germans. Straight jeans, it take a wall of the burner. $100 credit, make me learn that. Turn my client in a servant.
People, you know, in Strike Force and Young Badness link up on a normal pre. The whole of Uptown, the whole of Spain Town, Babylon, is it? And a normal pre-man, is it? So I make on
my client in a servant.
Full of money like Rothschild. Yeah. Smelly moolah, baby, aqua. Yeah.
People, Govana say she fi spend the money, spend the moolah, because I'm full of it like Rothschild. And that one I think make me I wonder if that make the NWC go so hard pan Govana with a big bill where them whopping with about 500,000.
Love the girl them when no wear clothes. Full of stars, I'ma fuck it for your cane row. Killer stay close, watch it fire pan the cane nose. Full of beer force, but the whole of them are dear ghosts.
Scapegoat, how we are do the murder. Up now, active.
Hey, Governor, them not easy to, you know. Man, them say them a do the murder, you know, people. I want you to know, I love how the video put together still, is it? Because the way how them put in the ballistic and the forensic and all of them things, they know, say, yo, the investigation for the murder, them is it normal pre. Yeah man, Intense and Governor go hard in another song, you see it. Man say yo, we young and active, you know, you see it. Bad bitch a pop pill in here, you don't know. So where the man them a try showing basically in another song, you say yo, any weapon the gravel crime for go on, you know, it a happen, you know. You see it, from on the style for them thing, you don't know. It's easy for the thing them transport because we bitch them bad, you see pre.
How we are do the murder. Bad bitch a pop pills. How we are do the murder. Young nigga stock bricks. How we are.
Alright people, right now we're moving along and reach a nation boss with a song titled Brave, is it? That song yeah, we never expect that side of Nation Boss, is it? So this is a new side of him. The song titled Brave. Listen.
The whole of West Side, loyalty to the grave, yeah. St. James, loyalty. My native, them brave, and our loyalty to the grave, humble.
Right now, Nation Boss keep the fans them intriguing because him big up various places like West Side. You don't know some various garrisons, is it? And that song yeah, I show a side of him where him a show you say, yo, don't take him normal, don't take him simple. Him not touch the road without a firearm. No matter how you see him lock style and him a rasta, don't feel like him a Jesus. Is it? Because this is no lamb to slaughter. Listen some more song.
Have a heart of a lion, now go road can't walk left with iron. John Bards and no friars, every day if we stand out I go higher. Lord answer my prayer, heart frozen, come up in through the fire.
No, people, this is the song that everybody a talk about from one day. Since the song had dropped, it created a buzz. Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. This song is titled Godzilla. You see it? That's Godzilla. You understand? And the song is normal. Vybz Kartel spit some PC lyrics.
Oh, Buddha make me life sweet, sugar dream, fuck a nightmare, Freddy Krueger's in, Bubba clean every day, rug up on my belly jeans, full of money green, me turn up the scheme, disappear bulla, any boy, this is Zilla, we are crucified.
Busy Signal, everybody I say, Busy Signal got the hardest on the collab itself, but more wanna tell me what you think in the comment section, is it? But me and me couldn't hear some of the song still.
Over Universe, Starship, Enterprise. Pussy know what you say about Mr. Price. Bounty Killer, that's Cheers with more retard on Perry.
People, just that little introduction there, our Bounty Killer voice alone, me couldn't know how hard him go in the song. You know Killer is a NEC, God is it. So now you must say more than Dan Perry in that one. Yeah. Is it maybe man change up the flavor a bit and you don't know maybe the girl.
Tell every them up in them outside. She said pick quick plus they plus outright. Can't spell the business without time.
Bounty Killer, that's
People, look how easily Vybz Kartel show say he's not ungrateful. The man say Bounty Killer make him rich, and if you no fuck around the price, you get crucified like Christ.
Yeah, but daddy. Ready. Bounty Killer make me rich.
People, I know now say how I mention say Busy Signal got the hardest in the song. I'm not play none of Busy Signal part. But me and leave unu for doing the research and go and listen the full track Godzilla. Is it Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel, Busy Signal.
Rum. And then violate and know something I got burn down. Yo, Blizzy, everybody this come down.
The Celtic happy when it hear bella jingle. Knock it on rapid, them put it on single. Her fan in Nazle when they see the fire keep.
Act like we live in a cave, get charged, we go jail and we never call name. We tell you about brave. Nothing no scare, we make boy afraid this.
Yeah, for real.